Welcome back, everyone. A question I always see is, how do you even notice if you have an iPhone virus, aka you have a virus on your iPhone? Now, what I can tell you is that most probably for a majority of you out there, you probably don't have a virus on your iPhone. It is so hard to get a virus on your iPhone that even if you think you have a virus, if you like open up your internet browser and it shows you like, oh, you have a virus on your computer or you have a virus on your thing, whatever, there are so many little like spammy things that a lot of websites do that even if you accidentally open up your web page and you clear out everything and it still keeps on, loading up your spammy website thing, or if you hop into your calendar app and you see a bunch of virus, things on here that says, oh, you have a virus, clean it out here. Most probably you don't have a virus on your iPhone. You just have some sort of, malware that's not a virus. It's literally just somebody, inputted some, calendar event onto your thing or favorited a Safari, website on your behalf from your computer, from your iPhone. And it's very easy to fix these things. So those things you probably don't have a virus on your iPhone. An easy way to fix these things is to literally just go into your settings app. You want to go inside calendar, you want to click on accounts, and you want to see if there are any accounts here that you don't really realize, like up here with your iCloud account. If there's like some random account that's been added here, you want to go ahead and delete it. Same thing with Safari. So if you go into your Safari browser here, you scroll down, you want to go ahead and clear history and website data. What that's going to do is delete anything that's saved in the background, and hopefully that'll fix those annoyances. Again, those are not viruses. So those are the main two most popular ways I've seen a lot of people think they have viruses on their iPhone. But there's also something else where if you actually think you have a virus, meaning you think your phone, if you leave your phone sitting down somewhere and it starts moving around by itself and all that stuff and it starts clicking apps and whatever, then that's extremely freaky. That is extremely, that is like 0.001%. And the only way that could even theoretically happen at all is if you, were to jailbreak your iPhone and if you actually were to install some random packages or some random things that have not been, verified by, Cydia or whatever else, then you probably may have a virus on your specific iPhone. But again, you have to ask yourself, do you actually just recently jailbreak your iPhone? If you haven't jailbroken your iPhone, then obviously you probably don't have a virus on your iPhone. Even if you did jailbreak your iPhone, did you install any random packages that nobody else has really talked about and they're just like some random package that you just kind of, came across of? If that's the case, then all you really need to do if you even think you have a virus on your iPhone is to open up your settings app and factory reset your specific iPhone. You can back up whatever you can, but most probably you may just have to go straight into your general settings, scroll down to reset, and then reset all or erase all content and settings. That's really the main thing you can do at this point, in order to save yourself from getting hacked on your iPhone even more. That is what I would recommend doing, and to be honest, that is pretty much it. There's not really too much in between. All the other things, like email accounts and Snapchat and Instagram, those are completely different apps. So if you think your Snapchat's hacked or a virus, Instagram has a virus, whatever, those are different things. But your iPhone itself, like the actual iPhone, probably does not have a virus, to be honest. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.